But to weigh in on how can this likely impact the travel, we are now joined by AVM GP Sharma, who's the president of SkyMet. Hi, Mr. Sharma. Good afternoon, and thank you so much for taking the time out. Mr. Sharma, this volcanic eruption in Ethiopia that's taken place after 12,000 years has sent an ash plume that is drifting towards the Indian airspace. Firstly, how is this likely to impact domestic travel? Because I'm sure there are a lot of people who have planned their travel, and though there has been no material impact so far, but going ahead, what can be perhaps potential impact on the domestic airspace?
See, there are two disasters which happen without any notice, not even a shortest notice. Okay, one is the earthquake, the other one is a volcanic eruption. Uh, in others, we do get some time, but then this is one, and it becomes special because, as you also mentioned, it has happened after thousands of years. So this particular volcano is located in a region where there is a chain of volcanoes. Next to it, there is a very active volcano over Ethiopia itself. That is Atuel is the name of that volcano. But then this has erupted in a massive way. Okay, sending the plumes of ash to uh, thousands of feet up in the sky. Actually, the range is big, anything between 25,000, also extending up to 45,000 feet. This will impact both our domestic also and the international flights also. International flights already, the reactions are there. Some airlines have cancelled their flights because it's a very density of air traffic is very high in this particular route where the eruption has taken place and where the plume of ash is traveling. In any case, it is coming to our region, also Indian region, across traveling Yemen, Oman, and then Pakistan region, North Arabian Sea. It is over. Parts of Rajasthan, parts of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Northern Plains, Punjab, Haryana, going up to the mountain states as well. And it will travel further all along the Indo-Gangetic plains. You see, firstly, it's very high in the sense 25,000 feet and above. Winds are very strong. Upper winds at that height, they are to the tune of about in excess of 100 kilometer per hour. In some pockets, even 150 kilometer per hour. So the spread of this plume is going to move very fast, and also becoming the spread will become a large and large also. So we got to very carefully watch out, and particularly aviation sector, as it is already alert has been sounded by most of the airlines, and this will remain for some time. Yeah.
Mr. Sharma, also give us a sense how this volcanic eruption now will affect our air quality, which is already really bad in parts of New Delhi. The entire northern region has AQIs above 200 for now. How much impact is this going to have on air quality that is already very bad? In fact, Mumbai also we are seeing around 180 levels, but that's a whole different story. The northern part of the country is doing much worse in terms of air quality. What could be the impact there?
Yes, you see, air quality wise, if you see, no place in India at this moment is in the even the satisfactory category. You see the mountain, see the coastline, it is all 100 or more, which is little on the poorer side only. Okay, and the region, national capital region, this along with the neighboring states, Punjab, Haryana, you go all along in the Gangetic Plain, Uttar Pradesh, even go up to West Bengal. It's very poor. Okay, it is not only confined to Delhi, but then good news that these are different things. What volcanic eruption has taken place, it is in the tropospheric level. Possibly it will extend to stratosphere also. Means it is very high in altitude. Whereas the AQI, the pollutants which affect us, they are in the lower levels. So they do not go beyond the boundary layer. I will say put it maybe 3,000 feet above the ground, or 3 to 5,000 feet maximum above the ground, because they winters the temperature as such are low, stable layers of atmosphere are there, that is not allowing those pollutants to uh, firstly in, intensify as well as spread also. It is confined to those pockets, and because of the stable layer of atmosphere. I don't think there is going to be any interaction between what has happened with the volcanic ash plume and the pollutants which are there in the lower levels. The only worst case scenario could be, you see, after all, whatever is there up in the air in terms of volcanic ash also contains large volumes of sulfur. It could be some particles of rock and glass also. It could be some like other chemical those particles along with the volcano. Okay, so all that is also drifting, because air, it's a dynamic medium. It will not be stagnant at one place or so. It will be carried forward, carried along with the winds to different pockets. The only thing is, after at some point of time, the dust or the ash which is there up in the air, it has to settle down. You see, the height which we mentioning, 25,000, 30,000, air is very rarefied over those regions, over those heights. Okay, and in case these particles are there, volcano ash particles are there, the temperatures are very low over there, maybe -20, -30 degree, or even less than that also. So the low temperatures, rarefication of the atmosphere at those heights, it is going to aggravate the problem, and they are going to stay there for some time. Those ash plume which is there. The only thing is, it is going to spread. It is going to move forward and cover large areas.
Right.
To me, it appears one good thing that we have a wall, the tall wall of Himalayas to the north of us. Possibly, it may not go on to the other side of that. It will become a barrier. But then it is definitely remains a matter of concern for aviation
Right.
safety, at least for the next few days. Yeah.
Right, Mr. Sharma, air quality is a matter of concern, not just for the next few days, but it has been perhaps for a while. But let's see what measures will be taken to, make the air quality better for everyone. But with that, we will let you go. Thank you so much, Mr. Sharma, for joining us.
Thank
Good
you.
day to you. And with that, it's time for us to slip into a short break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.